Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video I am giving you quick demonstration, and that demonstration is very important for nowadays. Number of people are sending you some messages and then after they are thinking different way and they suddenly delete on that particular WhatsApp messages. Look this screenshot. Some messages how to read after deletion, like a person are sending me this message and he thinking about other information or other thought and then suddenly he delete. But which types of message he or she sending me, so how to read this message is absolutely free. So let's start as a demonstration on that particular video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. So that one is an Android device, and I open here Play Store. Firstly open Play Store and you type here notice save one application, look like this way, and I install this application in this device. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed. This application is installation processing sometimes. So this application is installed. So this application is installed. I open this application, notice save, and allow this notification for the access purpose. Notification is 1, and here notice save options. One options are open only and rest of application options are off. So notification option I am allowing, and then again some processing happen, and here you can select all app, otherwise go with the single application. And then next, so now I'm sending one message another device. I'm sending one message on that particular number here, and then saying hello and send. So right now I'm sending here message, one notification also come, but right I'm in driving or meeting or some another point of view, and suddenly this person are thinking different way and he delete this message like this. Select delete for me or for everyone. So delete for everyone. So he suddenly delete this message, but I can again I am opening my WhatsApp application and okay, this Jaipal Singh person are delete this message. I'm typing here earlier, so which types of text message he's sending me, so I can go with that particular notice save application. And look at this here, some options are available like in notification, like Jaipal Singh comes notification and hello, this message was deleted. So here this message are automatically come, he delete on that particular message. This tips and tricks is very important. Number of people are sending you message and he delete suddenly, but how to read those such kind of delete message like this way. I am sending here and delete the message, and which types of message I am deleting in the particular person, so you can access and read very easily. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.